Hey besties, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, we are going to be doing another Black Friday haul. Is this number 2? No, this is number 3. This is number 3. So this is my third Black Friday haul because everything is just coming in at different times. So I'm really excited to share with you guys everything that I got. If you're interested in the brands that I shot from beforehand, I will tell you McGrath, Fenty Beauty, Youth to the People, Hourglass, and I think that's all. So let's jump right in. Now y'all know I'm going to start with the McGrath. I'm not going to make y'all wait for that, but just know that they had a sale to where the more you spent, the more percentage off you got. I think I ended up getting like 25 to 35% off, somewhere in that area, but the products were still super pricey. Like, I'm just keeping it real. But I appreciated the discounts for sure. So the first thing that I decided to pick up was the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. Looks like this in this cute little packaging here. Let me go ahead. Where are my scissors? Open! Okay, cool. Oh, I am so not smart. What the heck, Lindsay? I just got those little thingies everywhere because, you know, not that smart. But this is what it looks like. It's everywhere. Ah. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. Wow, so it's like a blurring powder, you guys, but it's super light. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should have got like the shade medium so I could have like put it all over the face, because I'm wondering if it's like, if it has like a white cast or yeah, it has a little bit, it looks like, of a white cast. So I probably just put this on the under eyes, but I wish I would have got medium so I could have put it like all over the face. I don't know, it does seem very, very blurring on the back of the hand though, and maybe I could swing it on the face like with the big puffy brush. I don't know though. And then you guys, I wanted us to have this moment together. I got the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation, so I didn't open this because I was really, really trying to wait on you guys to open it. Doesn't that look so bougie? Alright, so we are going to open this up from the top. From the top, make it drop. That's all. And I got mine in the shade Light Medium 9, and then you pop it open and it looks like that. Really, really cute component there. Open it up. Aww, that is what it looks like. Now, y'all, I need you to understand that the price tag on this was really, really high, I feel like, from what I can remember. So, yeah, this is definitely a luxury purchase for sure. Even with the sale, I want to say it was still like 40, 50, like, you know, a little up there. So I don't even know what it is regularly, probably like 70 bucks. I think it's $67 actually without a sale. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to see what this does for my face, and I hope the shade matches. I figured why not just finish the complexion because we already started. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer, and you guys, this is in the shade L1. All they had available was the lightest shade. Was the lightest shade, so I picked this up. I don't know though, I'm kind of scared, but people talk so highly of this concealer and I really wanted to try it. So yeah, it's pretty light there. Pretty light there, not gonna cap. But you know what? I like a light under eye, like a bright under eye. So we'll see. I'm super excited to try this one for sure. Probably like most excited about this and then the lip products for sure. I ended up also picking up a matte trance lipstick, which looks like this. Cute little packaging. Pop the lipstick out. I believe I've tried this on already. This is what the component is looking like. So super cute with the little lips. And yeah, I think I definitely did try this one out as soon as I got it because that is gorgeous. These were $14, you guys, for the sale, the $14 lip sale. And all the lip products were $14, which is a steal because usually very much more. The lip liners I don't think were on the sale, but I did get that 30% off for that. So I've like misplaced the lip products, the other lip products, because they were in here. Girl, I was drunk last night because I had just turned 21. So I don't know where this stuff is. I definitely use it for my birthday though. But these are the lip liners in the shade Structure and Supernatural. So they're just like brownie nude shades. And then I have 2 lip glosses, one gold one and one like really pinky rosy gold one. Those are also gorgeous. I wish I could show them to you, but I have no idea where that is. Fenty Beauty also had like 25 to 30% off too. So you guys, I picked up some goodies. I decided to pick up the Soft Matte Mini Foundation. This was like $11. Now given it is kind of tiny, but it was $11 and you get, I think you get like 0.40 fluid ounces. A lot of foundations are like 1. So at the end of the day, like it's $11 and this is a pretty good size for that. And it's actually the foundation that I'm wearing today. So yeah, I think I'm liking it. And then y'all, I had to pick this up. This is the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint. It is so cute, you guys. The packaging on this, I love. But people really talk highly about this and about the blurring aspect of it. I don't really care for like skin tints, to be honest. So I hope this does like medium coverage at least. But when people tell you it's super duper like blurring, actually, I'm really enticed to like try it out. So I really hope that I end up liking this and I do see some type of blurring effect. If you guys want me to do a full video on it, definitely let me know and I'll let you know my thoughts. I am really excited about this product, you guys. I don't think I mentioned it earlier when I was naming off the brands, but I also did shop at Milani. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. You got like this big behind tote, I think, if you spent a certain amount of money. So we got this, which I didn't even know. I think I was just in that shopper's craze where you just shop and you just put in your cart. So I didn't even know that I got this, which is awesome. And the first thing that I decided to get was this 02 Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. And you guys, the reason that I got another one of these, because I have 01, but 01 is just a little bit too cool toned if you ask me, for me personally. So I wanted to have like the next shade up. So I did end up getting 02. And this one actually even says on the packaging that it's new look but same great formula. So they have new packaging now, which I think is really cute. I don't think I have this packaging, so we love to see it. We love to see a slimmer, compact version. And then I ended up getting a baked bronzer in the shade Soleil, just because I wanted to test another shade because I really love my Dulce one. And they also revamped the packaging with this as well, which I definitely understand because my Dulce one is broken and it was just like, it was really cheaply made. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So it's broken, so I see why they, you know, upgraded the packaging and I appreciate that. And then I got some lip products, you guys. So let me show you really quickly. I got 3 color statement lip liners. That's what they're called, right? Yep. And these were so affordable with the sale. Milani had like 40% off, I want to say. And with that, it just made these like dirt cheap. So let me tell you the names that I got. I got 04 All Natural. 03 Nude. 09 Spice. And then I decided to pick up one of those viral TikTok lipsticks that were like the perfect lipsticks for fall. And I got mine in the shade Secret. And then I really wanted to try their satin matte formula, so I got this lippy in the shade Lavish. And you guys, I so enjoy the Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper from Milani. It's such a good one, you guys. I mean, such a beautiful one. My girlfriend actually got one and surprised me and I was like, oh, that's nice. But then I used it and you guys, I fell in love with the formula. So I really recommend this to anyone. I got the shade 08 in Soft Rose just so that I could have like another one. And if I could have the whole collection, if I had coin like that, I would have the whole collection, you guys, because these are so good. They're so good. So good and so affordable. Here is our ColourPop box. I'm gonna open her up. The first thing that I got was the Fade into Hue palette. And it looks like this on the outside. Let me show you the inside. Only because I don't know why I didn't pick it up when it came out. But I know that I really wanted it. And I've been getting way more into makeup recently. As you can tell, now I have a YouTube channel that I really take seriously. So here are all of the shades. Just a really beautiful color story here. Very nice rainbow palette. So I'm really excited to give this a go and maybe do a couple YouTube videos playing with it, you know? It looks really, really beautiful. Like, I'm looking at it, and in person, like, this is stunning. So I'm really excited, you guys. Don't you love this one? I think I really, really like this. I would have to say it's like the thing I'm like most excited about right now to like dip my hands in. Also, you guys, as far as the percentage off, I want to say it was like 30, 35, something like that. If that's wrong, definitely let me know in the comments below. But I also got this Face and Body Bronzing Balm from Soul Body, because I had heard really, really good things about it. So let's open it up. Wow, I did not think it was going to be this big, you guys. Look at how big it is. That's what she said. I'm just kidding. That thing is huge, okay? Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but for example, I just dropped it. Okay. Okay, so for example, this is the bronzer, the cream bronzer, and then this is the Pat McGrath blurring powder. So we see a obvious difference here for sure, right? Yeah, this is really, 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 really big. And then I picked up some face milks for my girlfriend. I got strawberry, coconut milk, and matcha. And then from Hourglass, you guys, I got the Vanish Hourglass foundation, the liquid one. I don't know why, but I've always wanted to try this, you guys, and I feel bad saying it, but I don't think it's like all that, unless I used it with like the wrong primer or something. But I used it and I don't know, I thought it was all the hype like a few years ago, so I don't know. I don't really think it's the best thing I've ever tried. And then you guys, moving on to the youth, to the people, I need to tell you guys how obsessed I am with this face wash, and I've only been using it for a couple days. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. Y'all, this is $38 and they had a sale, so I picked it up for obviously way less than that. I think the sale was like 30% or 20% or something like that. But I picked it up, and the only thing with it is I really hope it lasts me a long time, because I cannot be spending $38 every time I need to re-up on this. I just cannot do it. So it's really good. It's really gentle on the skin. You still do need to go in with a nice moisturizer afterwards. I have dry skin in general, so I always just need to, because I just feel like any face wash that I use afterwards, I'm a little dry, but I will say this one doesn't dry you out as much as like other ones I've tried in the past, and I just really, really enjoy this one. Even my girlfriend, she'd be using it and I'd be like, girl. But yeah, she'll use it sometimes too, and she really, really likes it. And I love this packaging as well. And yeah, I just think it's a really top-notch product. So happy with it. Alright, you guys, that was my full part 3 Black Friday haul. I'm pretty sure that was the last one. I really enjoyed sharing these products with you. A lot of them we saw firsthand together. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've stayed to the end, I love you, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Bye, besties!